I'm here in Miami right now in Coral Gables, about to just enjoy myself. But before I do that, I really wanted to make this video because coming from someone that's made over $30 million online, if you're new here, my name is William Rivera. And yes, I've sold over $30 million worth of product online. I'm 25 years old and I was able to do that by the age of 23. Coming from someone that's done that and being blessed enough to be around people that are way richer than me and know a lot more than me, the biggest lesson that I've had in my whole career of selling products online is the fact that you don't have to be a genius to make a lot of money. In fact, you just have to be early. And my mentor, he told me that when I was dead broke. And I remember when he told me that, I didn't really know what he meant. He was like, he looked me in my eyes, he said, "Will, do you want to be a millionaire?" I said, "Yeah, of course, bro. I'm working at Amazon right now, making $11 an hour. My back hurts. I'm only 19 years old. Of course I want to be a millionaire. Like, teach me how. Like, what book do I have to read? What course do I have to buy?" And he looked me in my eyes. He said, "Will, to be a millionaire, you don't have to be a genius. You just have to be early." And he really didn't give me more context than that. And I didn't realize until now really what he meant. See, looking back on my career, I made hundreds of thousands of dollars online with Shopify dropshipping because I got in early. I got in 2017, 2018 when no one was really doing it. So even though I lacked skill, even though I lacked marketing skill, even though I lacked the web design skill, I mean, if you looked at the websites and the ads that I made back in the day, they were horrible. I'm talking about, I used Canva and I had emojis and it said swipe up with a rose bear in the middle. That one ad made 100K. You cannot do that anymore. The competition is way too good to be able to get away with stuff like that. But I was able to make a lot of money because I got in early. 2020, 2021, I turned $2,000 into $3 million with NFTs. Did I know what I was doing? No, I barely knew what an NFT was. But I made money because I got in super early. So guys, remember, to make a lot of money, you don't have to be a genius. You just have to be early. And right now, what I believe is the biggest opportunity since NFTs in 2020 and since Shopify dropshipping in 2018 is TikTok Shop Affiliate. Now, if you don't know what TikTok Shop Affiliate is, I'm gonna just explain it real quick. Right now is the only time ever where you don't have to be Kim Kardashian or Alex Earl to earn crazy amounts of money for posting videos on TikTok. In fact, TikTok right now, if you post a video recommending a product, let's say for example, you drink whey protein every day, right? You're getting swole out here, you're going to the gym, and you drink whey protein every day. If you make a video on TikTok about that whey protein, every time someone watches your video and ends up buying that protein, that brand and TikTok will actually pay you a commission. This has never been done before. In fact, this is such a lucrative business that YouTube copied it. If you search on Google YouTube shopping, YouTube Shop literally copied TikTok Shop and they're running the exact same business model. In fact, I taught a kid that knew nothing about this industry how to do this, and he made over $7,000 from one video. Now guys, if you wanna learn how you can do this without having to show your face, because yeah, you don't even have to show your face, you can actually use AI to make AI generated videos that sell products for you. I mean, it gets crazy, but I can't explain it all in this YouTube video. If you're watching this right now and you're hungry, you wanna make more money online, you want to have another stream of income, but you don't want to slave away at a business, because don't let business owners trick you. A lot of business owners aren't really business owners. They just have a high paying 9-to-5. A lot of them are still working 40, 50, 60 hours a week. And that's not the lifestyle you wanna live. If you're someone right now that wants to make some extra money, but you don't wanna slave away for it, you wanna do something that requires less than 2 hours a day, that's pretty passive, still allows you to travel the world. I mean, look, right now I'm in Miami, Florida, but I really live in Atlanta. Then here's what I want you to do. In the link in the description, I have a link to a free training that I'm gonna be hosting very, very soon. It's a closed door event, meaning you have to register to attend, but it is completely free. If you want to learn about this digital gold rush that is happening on TikTok, all you have to do is click the link down below and register for this free training. I'm not sure how many spots are left right now because I do limit it to a certain amount of people. I know you're probably watching this and you're like, oh, he's just saying that. No, I do limit it to a certain amount of people because I like having a certain amount of people in there. So the link is in the description for you to register for this event. And I look forward to seeing you there. again, only register if you're serious and not curious about getting to the next level. And I'll see you on the other side. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. It encourages me to make more videos, and I want to be more active on YouTube, man. So again, lesson of the day: you don't have to be a genius to be a multi-millionaire. You just have to be early. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.